Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear, a good deal, and loaded with features. Features also include stability control, premium sound system, rear view camera, hands-free Bluetooth integration, third row seating. With these ratings, stop by and take a look at the 2012 RAV4. The RAV4 is one of the most fuel-efficient SUVs in its class. Versatile and efficient, RAV4 mixes the comfort and drivability of a sedan with the benefits of an SUV. This highly evolved, well-packaged crossover SUV lets you have it all. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.